Okay, so we are now doing part B of exercise 317. And part B is to create the trial balance. And I think it formally says in the book, prepare a trial at August 31. So we are going to prepare the trial balance. So on a trial balance, the top of the trial balance is the name of the company. And this is Bailey Incorporated is the name of the company. The next line is trial balance is the name of this statement, the trial balance. The date is August 31, 2017 is when they said they want it done. I believe August 21, 2017 or 2022. Sorry, 2022. 2022. August 31, 2022. Okay. So we do it in the order it shows here. Assets in order of liquidity, liabilities, stockholders' equity, dividends, revenues, and expenses. So we're going to look at these T accounts over here, and we're going to look for the assets in order of liquidity. So we know that cash always goes first, right? So we're going to put cash, and then the first column is the debit column, the second column is the credit column, and we're going to put the balance where it shows on the T account. So this shows a debit balance of $9,100. So we're going to put cash, $9,100 debit. Next would either be short-term investments or debt investments, but I don't see that here. So the next we go to is going to be accounts receivable. So we have accounts receivable. And the accounts receivable has a debit balance of $2,800. So we're going to list that. Debit balance $2,800. The next would be equipment. The next asset we have, and the only other asset we have, is equipment. So we're going to list equipment next. And the equipment balance is a debit balance of $6,200. If we look at the T account, we see it's a debit balance of $6,200 for equipment. Okay. So that's the assets. And we're going to go to the liabilities. What do we have for liabilities? Well, we have just one. Notes payable, and it's a credit balance of $5,000. So we're going to list notes payable. We're going to put the credit balance of $5,000. Credit goes in the far right column. Okay. So we have no other liabilities. We're next going to go to stockholders' equity. And for stockholders' equity, we have common stock. So we're going to put common stock. And common stock has a credit balance of $8,000, and for some reason I'm missing the zero there. So we're going to put $8,000 credit balance. We have no dividends listed here, right? We have no revenue. Oh no, we do have revenue. Service revenue, $5,100. So revenues go next. Service revenue has a credit balance of $5,100. Next would be expenses. We don't have any expenses listed here, which is kind of weird because companies always have expenses, but that's it. We've listed all the accounts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 accounts, and we have 6 T accounts. So we've listed them all. Now we're going to total these up. So on the debit side, we've got $9,100 plus $2,800 plus $6,200. That comes to $18,100. And on the credit side, we have $5,000 plus $8,000 plus $5,100, and that also comes to $18,100. So our trial balance balanced, the debits equal the credits, and that's exactly what we want in our trial balance. So that item is complete. So that actually on the screen shows A and B for 317, exercise 317.